What's stopping you? Are you too tired? Didn't get enough sleep? Don't have enough energy? Don't have enough time? Is that what's stopping you right now? Don't have enough money? Is that the thing? Or is the thing that's stopping you?
Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah. That's a deal. Baby. That's how you do it.
Follow me, tell me if you feel me. I think niggas is trying to kill me. Picturing pistols, spitting hollow points till they drill me. Keeping it real, and even if I do conceal my criminal thoughts, preoccupied with keeping still. See niggas is false, sitting in court, turn snitches. They used to be real, but now they petrified bitches. I'm trying to be strong. They sending armies out to bomb me. Listen to Ron, the only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm. I'm trapped in the storm, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Bitches be warm. Word is born, you'll get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, rubbing my niggas wrong. And in this song, before I leave, picture me, I'm spitting that pump, bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it, niggas don't want it, you can get it, bet it. Make these jealous niggas mad, I said it. This thug like nigga, we don't cater to you hoes. Fuck with me, have 100 motherfuckers at your door with 4 bullets for strong. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron.
Jehovah said I'm born from the pearly gates, fuck 'em. I didn't wanna go to heaven anyway, but my mama got me on my knees with my hands gripped, talking about some praise the Lord shit. Hail Mary, fuck her, I never knew her. I probably screw her and dump her body in the sewer. Our Father, my pot stuck up dope spots, big black and mean with the 5th by the gabardine. What you expected from his next to kin? I'm loco, bro, but ain't no Mexican. I got 9s in the bedroom, blocks in the kitchen. A shotty by the shower if you wanna shoot me while I'm shitting. The lesson from the Smith & Wesson is depressing. Niggas keep stressing the same motherfucking question. How many shots does it take to make my heart stop and my body start shaking?
The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron. Punk ass cops can't save me. Mama tried to raise me, but had too many babies. Papa was a motherfucking joke. Used to find dope in his coat and nearly choke when he tell me not to smoke. Damn, don't get me started. My mama smoked so goddamn much when she was pregnant. I'm surprised I ain't retarded. At night I can't sleep, count feet as they pass through the glass. Somebody was 5 deep, staring at the wall, heard a scream. Wake up in the morning, see the blood in the hall from the murder scene. Don't cry, just ask why, and try not to die as I take you through a ghetto niggas lullaby. On the corner where the niggas sling they crack in the undercover shack. Those that don't bust they back. I daydream about the dope world. Take a puff from the blunt and watch the smoke swirl. My heart's burning in its wrong. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm, we listen to Ron.